India stands at the cusp of a phase change in its development imperatives. Over the last 1 year, the Government of India has taken a number of important steps to realize India's sustainable growth potential. Missions like the Make in India, Smart Cities Mission, Amrut, Housing for All, 24/7 Power, Digital India, Skill India, Integrated Power Development Scheme, and the Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gram Jyoti Yojana, National Mission on Enhanced Energy Efficiency, One Nation, One Grid, One Frequency have been launched. To achieve this vision of progress, it is imperative to have a robust energy infrastructure in place. It has always been IEEMA's objective to partner with the government for pursuing the agenda for growth. We continue to build on India's strength in leveraging technology with the vision of empowering Make in India. The year was kick-started by our 67th AGM and annual convention with the theme 24/7 Smart Electricity. Mr. Venkaiah Naidu, Honorable Cabinet Minister, Government of India, graced the occasion as the chief guest. In November, we held our 8th edition of Capacit 2014. The 2-day international conference on capacitors received an overwhelming response from more than 200 registered delegates. Attended by more than 250 members, the 8th IEEMA T&D conclave saw renowned technologists and Indian manufacturing companies sharing their views on strengthening of T&D infrastructure in the country. IEEMA also had the privilege to host the FAEMA AGM, where the Japanese, South Korean and Chinese delegations were here to discuss strategies which would help leverage Asian countries into European and American markets. The need to have an exhibition on low voltage during the non-IEEMA years was felt for a long time. The first edition of Intellect 2015, co-hosted by IEEE and IEEMA, held the conference themed Smart Electricity for Emerging Markets, and the exposition focused on the connected intelligence in the electricity of things. During the same time, Insulec 2015, a 2-day international conference on electrical and electronic insulating materials and systems, provided a great platform to share knowledge about the imbibing technologies in the insulator industry. IEEMA has been working very closely with the government in its initiative of empowering Make in India. This was reflected at the Hanover Messe 2015 event, where IEEMA partnered with Department of Heavy Industries and signed 2 MOUs, one with ZVEI, the counterpart association of IEEMA in Germany, and the second with European Business and Technology Center. The members of IEEMA will benefit from these networks. In congruence with the government's vision of smart cities, IEEMA Energy Meter Division organized the 6th edition of Metering India 2015 seminar with a focus on the Smart India dimension. Metering India was a perfect platform to take this interaction forward. The Northeast states have been in special focus of the government for development of power during the next few years. The Connect Northeast and Beyond Summit, focusing on capacity building for power sector in Northeast, was held in Guwahati. IEEMA also held a workshop titled Empowering Make in India with the utilities of Northeast states and IEEMA top officials. In April, IEEMA organized a meeting under the banner Empowering Make in India with the utilities of Haryana, IEEMA top officials and members in Chandigarh. The key areas addressed were domestic manufacturing and linkages to power economics. A workshop cum interactive session was organized with the utilities of Madhya Pradesh and IEEMA member companies. IEEMA reiterated the need for a consistent dialogue between transmission and distribution service providers and the MP utilities. To achieve the vision of empowering Make in India, it is important to address the concerns of SMEs while giving them a push for growth. Understanding this, IEEMA has placed the nurturing of this segment at the forefront, and the Execution Council has approved the creation of an SME division. The second CEO's Roundtable was organized to discuss, amongst other matters of mutual interest, implications of the IEC platform for Indian industry and how the role of the Indian industry in IEC work can be strengthened. It is essential that the government and policy makers work closely with the industry members. A select group of MPs and MLAs from Delhi interacted with the senior officials of IEEMA to discuss the complex issue of electricity, policy matters, and how it impacts the common man. It is now time to set our sights higher and channelize combined and synchronous efforts towards achieving greater targets. Some of the thrust areas are to strengthen brand IEEMA, evolve Elecrama 2016 with enhanced international color, redefine value creation for IEEMA members, and renew thrust on joint ventures and strategic partnerships to be able to provide a launchpad for our members. IEEMA is committed to building on India's strength in leveraging technology for making India a manufacturing hub. IEEMA is committed to partner with the government on this challenging and exciting journey of India's transformation.